discuss some basic provisions on the family code for purpose of a review in the yung real estate board exams ng marriage license. Then pagkatapos yung duties of the local civil registrar saka solemnizing officer. So dual duty ng mga consul natin for marriages performed by them. Then you have been tinatawag na yung marriages in case either or both of the contracting parties not having been emancipated by a previous marriage are between ages of 18 and 21, they shall, in addition to the requirements of the preceding articles, exhibit to the local civil registrar the consent to their marriage of their father, mother, surviving parent, or guardian. Kailangan lang ng consent. So or persons having legal charge of them in the order mentioned. So requirement of yung consent ng parent. Pagkatapos, anong epekto kung walang consent? So let's discuss that later. There's also yung requirement ng parental advice under the family code. So yung consent shall be manifested in writing by the interested party. So who personally appears before the proper local civil registrar or mag-submit lang ng affidavit of consent made in the presence of two witnesses. So yung consent, it shall be recorded in both applications for marriage license. Then the affidavit, if one is executed instead, shall be attached to the application. You have also yung marriages between 21, kanina 18 to 21, 21 to 25. Yung requirement dyan is advice na lang. Ibig sabihin, even if you don't get the consent, the marriage will proceed. So ang term dito, yung advice, hingi ka ng advice ng parents mo of your intended marriage. Kung hindi makuha ng parties yung advice, madidelay lang. Or unfavorable, yung one of the parents will is not agreeable to the marriage, ang marriage license shall be issued till after 3 months. Take note dito class, yung period of time lang na panahon siguro, pag-isipan ng mga parties kung tutuloy ba yung kasalan. This is for those parties between the ages 21 and 25. Then dadaan siya ng publication. Ipapublish pa yan. Tapos sworn statement by the contracting parties na they sought advice, pagkatapos either hindi nila nakuha yung advice. So mga ganun na mga requirements. So ilalagay lang yan sa sa sworn statement that will be subject to publication. So may delay tayo in case na parents are objecting for those parties between the ages 21, 25. Kung more than 25 ka na, you don't need yung mga ganitong time of documentation. Matanda ka na, So you can decide on your own without getting any parental advice, from your parents. So in addition to parental consent or parental advice, as the case may be, kailangan isama mo yung yung certificate, issued by yung priest, imam or minister. Okay? And pa to dito nakalagay? Marriage counsel or duly accredited by the proper government agency. Ito yung sinasabi natin, di ba? Magpakasal ka, kailangan ka ng marriage counseling, mga documentation works. So ito yung mga preparatory work, Lahat naman siguro tayo dito married ba? Plus may single pa. Wala na kayo?
Meron po.
Marami pa pong single, sir.
Marami pa ba? Yung mga single at least mapakinggan nyo, Yung mga single, yung married naman, ma-realize nyo, baka may mali doon sa kasalan, Baka pwedeng ipaano na yung kasal namin kasi may lapses. Na meron kasing ganun na, may naka-realize na sabi nila hindi namin sinunod. No? Hindi naman sinunod yung proseso. Bakit kami kinasal? Meron bang ganito sa class? No? Hindi dumaan ng marriage counseling, walang parental advice, no? Tapos sa kinontrata na lang yung mga ano to. 'Di ba merong mga naglalakad diyan sa Manila City Hall, yung mga operator diyan. 'Di ba? Guys, kung gusto mo mabilis na kasalan diyan, sabi nila merong nag-ano to, nagpa-package na
Express
diyan.
married.
Ha?
Express married.
Yeah, express marriage, 'di ba nakikita mo sa mga advertisements sa newspaper, 'di ba social media, sila nang bahalang mag-asikaso. Ingat-ingat kayo diyan, no? Kasi kung tingnan mo naman, you don't need these persons actually. Hindi naman complicated na magpakasal. If you want sa huwes muna, yung tinatawag nilang mga private marriage na hindi muna sa simbahan daw, no? So, it's not very complicated. You do it by yourself, na. Punta ka lang sa sa city hall or munisipyo. O yung tanong natin, si mayor, pwede pa bang magpakasal si mayor? Plus, kasi hindi na mention si mayor kanina.
Yes, pwede, sir.
Pwede, sir.
What's the authority of the mayor to solemnize marriage?
Yung power vested on him by the government as the public official.
General answer niya, no? Under the local government code natin, authorized yung mayor. Sa family code, hindi siya authorized. Tinanggal si mayor sa kasi yung family code natin, di ba, 1988 ata to eh. Hindi sinama si mayor sa mga persons, di ba kanina sa enumeration. But pinakamaraming yung mga kasalan ng bayan ngayon, di ba, sikat na yan. Nagsusponsor yung mga LGU para to formalize yung mga common law relationship. Yung authority ni mayor to solemnize marriage nasa local government code natin. Very specific yan yung authority ng mayor natin kasi yung iba nagtatanong baka yung kasalan kay mayor hindi legal. Na it's legal not under the family code but under the yung local government code natin. Yung mga marriage counseling, kung wala kayong marriage counseling, hindi naman, ang epekto niyan, isususpend lang yung issuance ng marriage license. Now, for a period of 3 months. We don't know kung lalabas itong type of difficult questions sa board exam, no? But we don't know yung temperament ng mga examiner. So kanina, nakikita mo yung mga periods, 3 months, kung marriage advice, kung hindi mo nakuha, no? So dito naman, kung wala kang counseling, isuspend lang yung issuance ng marriage license mo for a period of 3 months from the completion of the publication. So yung mga period so far, nakita natin 3 months, no? Kasi kung mag-issue ng marriage license yung isang no, yung isang government officer, he shall be subject to yung tinatawag na administrative sanctions. But it shall not affect the validity of the marriage. No, valid pa rin yung marriage. Isi-sanction lang yung government official. Okay, so meron ba kayong, may kinasal ba dito na walang marriage counseling? Walang amin? Walang amin sa klase? Kinasal ba kayo lahat na dumaan ng marriage counseling?
Yes, sir. Meron pong seminar.
O nga, pero yung mga, may kinasal ba na without undergoing yung counseling? Yung mga kinasal dito sa class, o lahat kayo dumaan ng counseling talaga?
Yes.
Dumaan po,
Kami, Prof.
dumaan.
Kasi yung iba, di ba, dumadaan sa mga package na yan.
Wow.
Sinasabi na, hindi, bahala na kami dyan. No? Yung counseling, wala na yan. No? Kami na bahala, i-package mo na lang. Bigay ka ng 10,000, no? So, 10,000, kami nang bahala. So, yan may sinishortcut nila. Wala nang mga counseling. So, ang sabi na ng batas, pwedeng i-sanction yung mga officials ng government for proceeding with the issuance of the marriage license without yung requirement of counseling. Okay? So you have yung mga kasalan na yung hindi yung isang party hindi naman kailangan ng parental consent or advice, no? For example, yung isang party is 18 years old, yung isa naman 30. Yung 30 pwede na yon, no? Wala no need for consent or advice. Yung isa kailangan yon. Okay, so importante na ma-comply nila yung requirements of yung consent or advice. But the other one na medyo matanda na, no need, no, for compliance